tried to bring together that whole local community to talk about disaster recovery using a scenario that is very realistic based on National Weather Service data and statistics, and try to present them something more realistic so they can have those conversations amongst each other. Emergency management is a team sport, reaching across your jurisdictional lines to talk to your neighbors about what resources they have. Maybe they've been through the same thing you've already been, so bringing them in as a technical expert to provide that assistance.
It allows us to identify our strengths and weaknesses and then really put that into motion for preparation. And that way, my constituents and my citizens who live in the county can rest assured knowing that we're doing our due diligence so that in the event of an emergency or disaster, we are prepared and we have that plan in place. We're a small community, but we're very resilient. We're tough and we can pull together when it counts. But it's nice to know, how to direct those proper channels to allow us to pull together properly. It's also nice for an event like this when we do that networking, how we can start to network outside of our community and reach out to which federal agencies, who do we call, how can we make sure all of our I's are dotted and our T's are crossed to ensure that our community gets all the resources that they need. It really puts a lot of extra tools in your tool belt. One of the local counties actually said to our group that, hey, if we have it and you need it, we can do it, we'll make it happen for you, and vice versa. So like you said, it's just nice to see as a region, we can come together when it really counts.